To replace one of the female buckles on these replaceable buckle chaps, it's a very simple job. You'll just need a small screwdriver, and using the flat end of the screwdriver, push one of the edges of the webbing down till it goes into the slot that's pre-formed in that middle bar, like so. You can see that's now halfway off. And if you do the same thing with the other side of the webbing, push it down until it's through the slot in the bar, and then you can pull that off like so. Okay, to put a new buckle onto the old webbing then is the reverse. Pass the webbing up through the front slot, and you can help it through with your screwdriver. Pull it up like so, and then take one side of the webbing and push it till it's in the slot like so. Do the same with the other side of the webbing like so, and pull it, and there you have it. Right, if a male half of a buckle was to break, that can be simply removed like so. You'll notice when you are adjusting this that the strap doesn't come off because this flap locks onto the buckle. But if you want to take the buckle off, simply hold that together with one hand and pass that up through like so, and thread that down through there, and we have the broken buckle can be put aside, ready for replacement. To put a new replacement buckle onto a strap is the reverse of that. Pass it up through the front slot first, turn it over and back through the back slot like so. This flap part must be on that side of the webbing so that if it's adjusted out to its full length, it's not going to come off.